Royal Enfield Interceptor 650. Along with a classic-style variant inspired by its namesake from the 1960s, this new version of the Interceptor 650 moves forward a decade to the 1970s. Built with the perfect balance of style and performance, this is a modern classic that retains the essence and appearance of an authentic British roadster, but with a splash of sun-kissed California. The all-new, all-black Interceptor 650 features a blacked-out engine and exhaust that unifies the motorcycle's aesthetic, blending seamlessly with the chassis and keeping the spotlight on the tank for a look that's guaranteed to make hearts pound and people turn heads. The Interceptor 650 is powered by Royal Enfield's legendary parallel twin engine, powered by an Airs oil-cooled parallel twin configuration. The 648cc engine offers 47 horsepower at 7,150 revolutions per minute and maximum torque of 5,250 revolutions per minute. Smooth throttle response across the rev range ensures enough power to make light work of city, traffic, or cruise effortlessly along the open road. The new headlights combine an old-school aesthetic with modern LED lights to improve visibility. The striking cast rims on the blacked-out variant come with tubeless tires, giving you peace of mind even on long journeys. Charging on the go keeps you connected to the world, no matter where you are or where you're headed. Finely tuned suspension with twin gas-charged piggyback shocks create an optimal blend of comfort and feel in all riding environments. Premium switch cubes made using aluminum, the new switch cubes come with a better grip and feel. The Interceptor 650's wide handlebars, low seat height, and confidence-inspiring riding position have been engineered for comfort with a gentle sport bias. Together, they help riders take advantage of the nimble chassis and stay connected to the machine. With a rake angle of 24 degrees and trail of 106 millimeters, the bike feels nimble in the city, planted on the highway, and confident in the twisties.